In this video, we are going to discuss reducing a fraction to lowest terms. Here we have a fraction, negative 12a over 84b, and we need to simplify it in its smallest form. So what I look for first is what can I divide into both the top and the bottom to make the numbers as small as possible. Here I know that 12 and 84 are divisible by 12. So I'm going to divide the top by 12 and the bottom by 12. This will give me negative. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 84 divided by 12 is 7. And A and B, those are not similar, so I can't divide anything on either of those. So the A remains on the top and the B remains on the bottom. I can also multiply 1 times A, which is just A. So to make it just even more simplified, I'm going to leave it as negative A over 7B. And this is in its simplest form. If I didn't know that 12 and 84 were both divisible by 12, I could see that they are both even and just start by dividing by 2. This gets us smaller numbers, which might make it easier than trying to find the largest number for both of them. I'm also going to leave my A and the B here, and since neither of those divide on this one, they're still going to remain the same. So we're going to divide the bottom by this one, top and bottom, by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6, and I'm going to keep the negative. So negative 6a. 84 divided by 2 is 42, and I still have the b. Again, they're both even again, so I will divide by 2 and 2, which gives me negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3, and I still have an a. The bottom, 42 divided by 2 is 21, and I still have the b. Now I'm done with all of my even numbers because 3 and 21 are no longer even, so I can't divide the fraction by 2. But I do see that I can divide both of those by 3 because 21 is 3 times 7. So this is 7, and I still have a b here. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. So I have negative 1 times a. And just like we did before, 1 times a is a, or negative a because it's negative 1. And on the bottom, we have 7 and b. And this is the same answer as what we got before, just a different version. And it's okay if you want to find smaller numbers as long as you just keep dividing until you can't find anything else to go in anymore.